The BSc Honours Rugby Coaching and Performance at the University of South Wales is a unique opportunity to get yourselves involved at the high end of the game.
Some of the opportunities I've had on the course, doing analysis with Pontypridd, travelling around, going to stadiums with a semi-professional team is really impressive.
I must have half a dozen professional players on the course now. What they do get from it is the rugby business, the off-field business.
Want to learn some more like admin stuff about rugby. I'm gonna do a rugby academy business. That's why I'm joining USW. I get more knowledge.
We have wonderful links with the Welsh Premiership, Pontypridd Rugby Club in particular, and students do coaching placements on the initiative. They're not just picking up cones, they're not just washing water bottles, they're actually doing and learning their craft.
You just kind of just swung at it. Take your time. Being a part of this, getting these experiences, adding stuff to my CV, it's helped me on the course as well, and all my coursework, like assignments I'm writing. I've got my own experience to talk about, which is really, really helping.
We've got lots of alumni that have actually gone into the top end of professional rugby, which is fantastic. And I don't think there's many undergraduate programs that can lay claim to that.